Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to add profile picture in your Microsoft account. So first you can log into your Microsoft account or Outlook account. So I'm using outlook.com, and then after that you can sign in for your account, and then you can go to your profile here in the top right corner. And then as you can see, you can go to my Microsoft account, click on it. After that, you will be redirected to your Microsoft account. Now you can navigate to the left side of your screen and you can click this one to open, and you can go to your info here. Now you will find all of your basic information, including to add a profile picture. You can just click add a photo here, and you can just click add a photo, and you can upload your photo, and it will be in your Microsoft account profile picture. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.